Hey, 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 the old Caddyman's back with something new and different. Lunch. Everybody eats lunch. My old buddy Jay Sprinkley at work said, why don't you show us how to do something that's easy to fix at lunch? So Angie came up with some great ideas, and this is the first one we're going to come out with. It's a fajita bowl. Yep, pretty easy. All you do is dump, heat, and go. I mean, how easy does that get? All right, first of all, you can do this or not do this, but you can squirt some dressing down here in the bottom, which I'm going to do. A little guac ranch. You can use regular ranch, whatever. Just kind of get it all over your bottom of your bowl there. Okay. The next thing that I'm going to use, of course, is rice. Spanish rice, 90 seconds. God, 50 cents, $1. Okay. Dump this in. Just make it even across there. Okay. Easy. Tomatoes. Gosh, how hard is this to do, guys? Come on. Easy. Colorful. Chicken. Cheap. Aldi special. Can even be frozen because when you heat this up, it's going to be great. Okay? Put a little seasoning on it. A little taco seasoning. Not much, just a little, just enough to give a little flavor. Okay. Onions. Lots of onions. Kind of gather those out too. Peppers. Okay, wait till I run down the costs on this stuff at the end. You're just going to not believe it, how much we've got in this. And then you top it all off with cheese. And I've got a great lunch by just adding 3 tortillas to it. Bam. This whole dish costs between $3 and $3.25. That's lunch. And look at that. Big, healthy, luscious, good. Gluten-free, might I add. So, try some of this and see if you don't like it. And it's a much better than a triple cheeseburger from McDonald's. Trust me. Anyway, come see me now. You hear?